Here's an interesting app called Komoot, Hike, Bike, and Run. It recently went to the top charts in some countries. So this is a really nice app, which also has Apple Watch, iPad app. This nice app if you like hiking, riding, cycling, just going on adventure. If you travel into some location and want to see all the interesting routes around you, that's the app. There are a bunch of alternatives like Wikiloc, for example, or All Trails, for example. I think that's also a good one. So yeah, here you can just see here the app, and then let's just try to open it up, and then let's just quickly sign up using Apple ID or whatever, Google, and then you just go and try to create an account from here. That's just your account, and then let's get started, and then allow using the app, and then hiking, bike touring, running, and then you just select types of activities you are interested in. You can connect your Apple Health data, whatever you're using. You can connect some Garmin devices, and then yep, here you have it. And for example, you can see it here around Copenhagen, like filters. You have filters, all types of duration, difficulty, elevation, surface, route type. Then you just select hiking, for example, and then yeah, you just have it here. So yeah, like for example, you can just find it here. And then you can have different complications. You can like basically save it. Then there is new all the types of different hikes and different walks from you, and just starting really locations not far from you. So yep, and then for example you have also nice collections and nice guides where you can find them here. So for example, here is some road cycling tours and some bicycle bridge. So yeah, that's the idea, and then yeah, you can just find it out from here. Yeah, so like all types of cycling tours around Copenhagen, for example, but this will be more like road cycling. And yeah, so and then also like you can have some followers here and some people, influencers. Then you can also record your own route. You have your own profile. You can add friends. Then there is a shop, and then if you wanna, you can get a premium for those who go further, the past adventures. So you can also get a premium account. So yep, there are a bunch of alternatives. I tried to use like All Trails app. So this is also quite nice. Which is also, I think All Trails is even more advanced in terms of hiking, and it has just a bigger community. Like, it has a lot of reviews, a lot of, categories. Yeah, so it's also a nice one, but it's also paid and, not the cheapest app. And then there's also Wikiloc app, which is also, you can try. Like Wikiloc is also good. I think Wikiloc is kind of cheap, or the cheaper ones. Yeah, I think is a default one. So yep, that's what you have. Try it out.